Hey YouTube, it's Michael Lambert here. I'm back once again with another reaction video. Once again, I'm reacting to the Southern snack in this video. Dairy Queen Oreo Brookie Blizzard review. This is one of the new ones that he uploaded today, and I'm going to react to it right now. And if any notifications pop up during the video, I apologize and I will take care of them. Now let's get to this video.
Welcome back to the Southern Snack, where life is too short to be serious. Alright, we got a potential mess up in here in my Bronco. We'll have to see. But we got two new summer blizzards. Each of them I'm going to do an individual review on. I want to focus on them as they should be. Very hectic week, lots of reviews coming, so hopefully you enjoy all the content have coming. Please subscribe and like and comment on this video. If you don't subscribe, how are you going to know about all these new reviews? You got to subscribe. So anyways, we're going to start with Brookie Oreo today, and then I'll do Puppy Chow. I'll probably do the Puppy Chow. I'll upload Puppy Chow first. Yeah, so it's as simple as Oreo pieces and Brookie pieces mixed together in their soft serve. Again, this is part of their summer menu. I like to go and, list out what they've got, but they've got a new burger, they've got a new slush, s'mores is back, these two, and a few other things.
Excuse me. Sorry, I burped twice. Sorry about that, everybody.
But the information's out there already. Just go research it. Marky Devo has it. Snack-O-Later has it. DairyQueen.com has it. So it's all out there. No new shake. It's that damn espresso caramel. I just think it's just so overloaded. I wish they would have done a new shake. But anyways, we got Over the Rainbow or Under the Rainbow shake. So anyways, I hope you subscribe again. And this side shows off better. I'm sorry, it's the truth. So, let's try and give you a look at that.
Whoa. Not
making a mess. And let's chat out. That's delightful. I feel like I'm almost always given a blizzard somewhere between an 8 and a 10. I mean, how can you mess up ice cream and toppings? You can't. And this is no different. You've got three elements in one. You got brownie, you got cookie dough, well, not good. You got brownie, cookie, and Oreo. Oreo adds a nice chocolatey dark cocoa crunch. Brownie, of course, adds that chocolatey, like eggy flavor. The brownies are distinct, and it has a fudginess. And then cookie dough also adds a nice cookie adds a nice chewy dynamic along with the brownie and a brown sugar touch. It really works together well. Simply put, I give it a 10 out of 10.
Whoa. Nice.
Oops, they dropped the sprinkle in there on me.
Sorry, I had an itch right there and right here too. Sorry, everyone.
Yeah, I mean, simply put, I don't want to hold y'all up. This is the truth. This is a 10 out of 10. It's two iconic desserts in one cup with another iconic dessert encasing it, which is ice cream. It's sweet, it's chocolatey, and those notes of brown sugar really come through. So, hopefully you enjoyed this review. Stay tuned for more reviews, and of course go check out my Puppy Chow Blizzard review. I will be doing a s'mores Blizzard review, I believe, because I did not do it back when it started showing up. Sorry for words, but hopefully this review was good for you. Other than that, I'll see y'all around.
Awesome video. I give it a thumbs up, and I hope you all enjoyed this reaction video. If you're all new to my main channel or my second channel or to the Southern Snacks channel, make sure you guys subscribe. Give both our videos a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell to let you guys know when we both post. And share both of our videos with your friends and family members too, please everybody. And on my main channel, we are on the road to 8,000 subscribers. And on my second channel, we are on the road to 3,000 subscribers. And please don't forget to take a look at my other videos on my channel's playlists, on both my main channel and my second channel, and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really appreciate it. And please help me accomplish my goal to get 8,000 subscribers or more on my main channel, and 3,000 subscribers or more on my second channel too, please everybody. I would really appreciate that too. And please help me bring my views and watch hours up on my main channel by taking a look at my other videos that are on the two playlists that are on my main channel, and give them a thumbs up. And share them with your friends and family members too, please everybody. I would really definitely appreciate that. And please help me bring my subscriber count up on my main channel as well. Also, please everybody, I would really appreciate that too. Please everybody, please. Please everybody, please. And I'm off now, so until next time, see ya.